Tired of weak, dribbly showers that leave you feeling unsatisfied? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head, which comes in at $47.46. What caught my attention was its unique combination of a fixed shower head and a handheld spray combo. If you want a truly customizable shower experience, this is worth a serious look. This shower head features a 12-inch square design that allows for full body coverage. With 278 spray nozzles, it mimics the soothing feeling of a rain shower, making your daily routine feel like a mini spa. The flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute means you won't be left waiting for water to drench you. This matters because who wants to stand under a shower that's barely trickling? Plus, it has 10 different spray settings, including a powerful jet mode for cleaning pets or tough bathroom messes. Now, some users mention that the handheld feature can feel a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while it can be a little cumbersome, most people will appreciate the versatility it brings. If you're looking to spruce up your shower experience, that slight heaviness might just be a small price to pay for luxury. This is perfect for you if you enjoy mixing and matching shower styles, or if you have a family that needs different settings. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight handheld option or are on a tight budget. For the features you're getting, it's a solid value. Now, if the potential weight issue with the Bozibo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bozibo Upgrade Shower Head. Another offering from Bozibo, this upgrade shower head priced at $49.95. Honestly, it looks and feels premium right out of the box. If you want a shower head that feels like a true upgrade, this one's worth checking out. This model features the same impressive dimensions and flow rate as its predecessor, allowing for that luxurious rain experience. The installation is straightforward, fitting most standard shower arms without any fuss. What really stands out is the patented magnetic docking, which holds the handheld showers securely in place. For you, this means less hassle and a more enjoyable shower without worrying about where the handheld is. Some reviewers had issues with the initial setup, saying it felt a bit flimsy at first. But I'll be real with you, once it's installed correctly, it performs beautifully. If you're not handy, it might take a couple of tries, but the end result is totally worth it. This is perfect for someone who wants a little luxury and ease in their shower. But if you're looking for a no-fuss installation, you might want to think twice. Considering the quality and features, it's quite reasonably priced. Alright, that was another solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit lighter. Product number 3, Bozibo Handheld Shower Head. The third option from Bozibo, priced at $49.99. What I really like about this handheld shower head is its ability to transform your shower into a mini waterfall experience. If you want something that feels good and works hard, you're in for a treat. It features the same 12-inch square design, which means you're still getting that full body coverage. The 278 anti-clog nozzles ensure that you're not constantly cleaning, which is a huge plus. Plus, with its dual shower head feature, you can easily switch between the fixed and handheld modes for whatever your shower mood calls for. This is especially helpful for cleaning the tub without the hassle of moving around too much. However, some reviews pointed out that the water pressure can vary. Here's the thing, while that might be true for some, others find it just right. If you live in an area with good water pressure, you're gonna love this. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys versatility in their showering experience. Skip this one if you have really low water pressure or are just looking for a simple shower head. For its features, it offers great value for the price. Now, if you want a more compact option without sacrificing quality, let's talk about the next one. Product number 4, SparkPod Shower Head. Let's move on to the SparkPod Shower Head, which is priced at a budget-friendly $36.99. Right away, I appreciated the sleek design and the promise of high-pressure rainfall. If you're looking for a stylish upgrade without breaking the bank, this might be just what you need. This 6-inch round shower head delivers a strong, invigorating spray, which can completely change your shower game. With a maximum flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute, it's a bit lower than the others, but it still offers an impressive performance. Plus, the easy clean rubber jets mean you don't have to spend your weekends scrubbing away hard water deposits. For anyone who hates cleaning, this is a dream come true. Some users noted that its smaller size can feel a bit limiting if you're used to larger heads. But honestly, for its price, the power it packs makes it a fantastic choice for smaller bathrooms or tighter spaces. This is perfect for anyone needing a quick shower upgrade without the hefty price tag. But if you prefer larger shower heads, you might want to skip this one. For its price, you get solid performance and quality. Now, if a larger head is what you crave, our final product on the list is just the ticket.
Product number 5. Natia Rain Shower Head. We have the Natia Rain Shower Head, priced at just $29.98. This one's a real bargain if you want a high-pressure experience without the high cost. If you want a practical yet luxurious shower, this option is hard to pass up. This model features a generous 10-inch design, which provides extensive coverage, and an ultra-thin design that boosts water pressure. The extension arm allows you to adjust the angle for optimal comfort, and the easy installation is a huge plus for those who dread DIY projects. If you want an easy upgrade, this is a no-brainer. However, some complaints mention that the arm can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, unless you're yanking on it, it holds up just fine. For normal use, it definitely gets the job done. This is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable yet effective shower upgrade. But if you want something that feels ultra premium, this may not be your pick. With its impressive feature set at this price, it's hard to argue against. So, to wrap things up,
After diving into these options, here's a quick recap. The Bozibo high-pressure rain shower head offers versatility, while the Spark Pod is perfect for those on a budget. The Natia provides a great value, and if you're looking for power, the Bozibo models won't disappoint.